coming already.
Thanks for that. I don't know if I get to put on an Aussie accent for this because I got it from is Australian. I'm not going to do that. I can't do that to him. Anyway, I got another project. I love a project, right?
I thought it weren't a project.
Yeah. No, well, it's not. It's an up and running car. Only it's not up and running. That's the only thing. So I got this in a deal because I had a car that was for sale.
They've done a burnout.
They did a burnout. Go and check the video. I really like that car, but a car that I've always wanted and one, that I've wanted for a long time, came up for sale, and it just so happened that the guy that was selling it wanted the car I had, so did a deal, and it kind of worked. The car has just had a new paint job, although you won't probably notice that because it's just come back from Dundee in Scotland, all the way back through all the snow and ice and all this sort of stuff and road salt, so it's disgusting, right? So it's come back. It needs starter motor shimming up, which on the American cars, the starter motor doesn't bolt straight on. You've got to shim it to get a clearance from the ring gear on the flywheel. The wing mirror's loose, passenger seatbelt doesn't do up. But in the grand scheme of things, these are really like simple things to fix. We're not going for restoration. I don't need to do loads of work with this. I don't want to do loads of work because I want it as a street car. I want to keep it nice and clean, polish it, have a little drive now and then, put it back in its box. That's the idea. So check it out. That's what it is. Anyone with a keen eye will know that it's a 71 Chevrolet Chevelle. It says it's an SS, but I don't know if it's an SS or not. I'm gonna have to do a VIN check on that and check to see if it is. It's got a 350 in it, so it's not a huge engine, 350 in cubic inches, so it's 5.7 with a TH400. It's got a 3-speed auto in it. Leather interior, just a regular like street car with a different set of wheels on it. I've got another set of banded steels for it already, and I'm gonna lower it. But the first thing I'm gonna do tonight is get it clean and hopefully put the wheels on because it's so disgustingly dirty from this whole like heavy trip coming back for like the last 9.5 hours I think the guy took to get back here. So I'm gonna get it clean, see what it looks like after. So this is a before shot, we'll do an in-between shot and then we're gonna give you an after shot and you can behold its grace once it's clean. It's gonna look stunning. Black on black, murdered out. Very loud, and just the way I like it as well. Nick, what do you want to see first? Do you want to see us polish it, or do you want to see a big fat burnout?
I'll do a thumbs up for burnout. You?
Well, I want to do a burnout because that's the whole point that I got it, yeah.
You're going to back her off and just burn the fuck out of it?
Fucking, why not?
Do it over his fucking Audi, please. Please! Yes, the Audi.
I can't believe it runs, drives and works. That's fucking gangster.
That's it, they seem razor sharp. Are you doing it on this?
Yay! That's second gear. You're welcome.
What a mess.
Yes!
The fucking door's not even open, but
Mate, I couldn't be happier. I am so happy about that. Got it back, cleaned it, keyed it, burnout. Done. That's it. That's all I need.
That's what that was for.
Exactly. That's for you, Pops. That's for you. Jeez.
Golly!
Golly!